Hey Divi Nation, thanks for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning resort layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the resort layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. As you can notice, it really gives you this kind of vacation vibe, and it has a really nice style, a nice color palette to it as well. And you get a ton of layouts, which include the room and restaurant layouts, for instance. So let's take a quick look at the restaurant layout. So this is what you can expect. And then you can also showcase all of your rooms on the room page. And if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts, and over here you can find all of the different layout packs, so you can combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the resort layout pack, and if you click on it you will see all of the layouts that are available. So you can join to download or click on the blue button which says view live demo, and this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover everything for yourself. And say, for instance, you want to use the landing page on your WordPress website. You can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. So once you've enabled the Divi Builder, you will get three options. So you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And we're going to use one of the resort layout packs pages by clicking on the purple button over here. And again, here you have all of the different layout packs. So go ahead and scroll down until you come across the resort layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts again, and then you can simply select your layout of choice and click on the green button which says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. So now you can start playing around with the layouts. So of course, you can change all of the written content that's included by opening the modules and changing the copy, but you can also make changes to the appearance of the layout using Divi's built-in settings or the efficiency features to make a lot of changes throughout the entire layout in just a few clicks. So let me just demonstrate that really quick. So say, for instance, you want to change this elegant font that's being used throughout the layout. You can just open this module and go to the Design tab. Go to the heading text settings, and over here we have the font that's being used. So go ahead and right click, click on find and replace, and then you can replace it with another font of your choice within this page, and make sure that you tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading font, and this will make sure that all of the modules are covered. And then click on replace. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout the entire layout, and you can basically do that for any kind of design option that you have within the visual builder. So go ahead and play around with this layout pack and with Divi and create stunning web design. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.